Welcome back, riders. In this video, we are checking out the best value for money bikes of 2025, ranging from 200cc to 350cc, from powerful street machines to classic cruisers. These bikes redefine performance, comfort, and affordability. In number 1, we have the iconic Karizma with a completely new design, full LED lighting, 6-speed gearbox and slipper clutch. It comes with an engine of 210cc that produces the power of 25.5 bhp and 20.4 Nm of torque. It gives an average mileage of 35 to 40 km per litre. It comes with a starting price of 1,84,139 rupees ex-showroom, and it's the most feature-loaded segment bike and a youth favorite right now. In number 2, we have a crossover between sporty and touring bikes, good for long rides with city-friendly handling. TVS Apache RTR 204V comes with an engine capacity of 197.7cc that produces 20.5 bhp of power and 17.2 Nm of torque. A feature-rich with riding modes, slipper clutch and sharp styling, a track-inspired machine, which provides a mileage of 40 km per litre, and it comes with a starting price of 1,41,290 rupees ex-showroom. In number 1, we have the Hero's latest quarter-litre machine, aggressive styling, strong power and affordability. Hero Extreme 250R, which comes with 259cc engine that provides the power of 29.5 bhp and 25 Nm of torque, which gives an average mileage of 36 km per litre. And it comes with a starting price of 1,65,938 rupees ex-showroom. In number 2, we have the pure street aggression with KTM's racing DNA, a dream bike for enthusiasts, the KTM Duke 250. Which comes with a powerful 249.07cc engine that produces 30.57 bhp of power and 25 Nm of torque, which can provide an average mileage of 31 km per litre and comes with a starting price of 2,11,959 rupees ex-showroom. In number 1, we have the Royal Enfield Classic 350, an iconic retro cruiser with unmatched road presence and timeless charm, which comes with 359cc engine that produces 20.2 bhp of power and 27 Nm of torque. This bike can give approx mileage of 35 km per litre and a starting price of 1,81,118 rupees ex-showroom. In number 2, we have the premium cruiser blending modern features with retro aesthetics, ideal for riders seeking style and performance. Honda CB350 is a premium modern retro cruiser with Honda's reliability, now even more value for money, which comes with an engine capacity of 348.36cc that produces a power of 20.78 bhp and 30 Nm of torque, which can provide an average mileage of 35 km per litre. And it comes with a starting price of 2,12,446 rupees ex-showroom. So riders, that's the best 200cc to 350cc bikes of 2025. Which one's your pick? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe.